In this video, we will show you how to edit header website on Squarespace. Please go to your dashboard and select your website art block. In here, to edit the menu, you can select this page. And you can rename also in here. And this is for the navigation title, for example. About is, let's add to. We can click Save Change. And there is about to. And to edit the header section, just double click in this area or whatever, scroll down, and there is edit site header button. Please click this, and you can see here there is two views from smartphone or from computers, and let's edit in the computers view. First, I want to change the element to reposition in here. Okay, let's select this for example, and we can back, and we can also add logos. Please click this button. Okay, and site title and logo. I will put files, for example, in here. And we can click save like this to edit our header. You can also change this link. Okay, that's tutorial how to edit header section on Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.